Do you have too many clothes in your closet and not enough cash in your wallet? What if I told you you can turn your unwanted apparel into extra cash? It's easier than ever before, and all you need is a phone and eBay. Hi, I'm Rayna, the reseller at Making Money Bossless. If you are new here, welcome. I created this channel because I believe in personal freedom that can only be achieved when you are no longer a slave to your job. If you are ready to create the life that you've only ever dreamt of, then keep on watching. Oh, hi. You caught me. I was going through my clothes and I'm wondering, why did I buy this? While it is very pretty, I'm never gonna wear it. Must have been on sale. I bet you that was it. It was on sale. How many of you have bought something not because you liked it, but because it was on sale? Or how many of you have bought something because at the time you thought this would look great on you, but when you tried it on, it just completely washed you out? So what do? I hang it back up in the closet. All of it. But with eBay, you have the opportunity to take these unwanted clothes out of your closet and list them on eBay. What you'll get in return is cold hard cash. Who couldn't use a little extra cash, especially nowadays? Not sure you want to list your clothes on eBay? That's okay. Grab my free guide down in the description box on 5 ways that you can make money immediately, like today. Go ahead and grab that guide right now. I'll wait for you. The thing you should know about listing clothes on eBay is smell and pet hair. What kind of pet hair? Like this kind of pet hair. Hi, Benny. Say hi, Benny. Hi, Benny. Hi, baby. Benny just wants to say hi. Yes, he's a good boy. He is a good boy. Yes, he is. Thank you so much for making them parents. So if you are an animal lover like me, you're going to want to make sure that you keep your apparel free from any pet hair, such as dog hair or cat fur. It's okay if you have animals, or if you have smells. It is unavoidable. There's nothing you can do about it. Just try your best to make sure that when you ship items, just do your best to, when you do ship items, to give it the old smell test to make sure there isn't anything smelly, although some people are so in particular that they'll smell smells that are not there. You do the best you can. There is a trick that I found on getting rid of some musty odor, and what you do is you place your item in a brown paper bag filled with baking soda, and then you put it in the sunshine, and the baking soda will absorb any bad odors, which will help. Also, washing your items is a good idea, although some of these items are dry clean only, and we don't even know if the item's going to sell. Do the best you can. And if you do have pets, have a lint roller, go over it and try to pick up any hairs, even though I keep in an area where there are no cats, except for Benny, who did pay me a little visit. He opened the door. The thing about cats is they know how to open doors. When you do ship it, just make sure that if you see any pet fur, go ahead and pick it off. That way the customer doesn't freak out. Next, what you want to do when you decide that you're going to part with something, you're going to want to inspect it for any flaws. You want to test the zippers and the buttons and make sure that everything works. It's okay if you find something that a stain or a flaw or a broken zipper, you can still list it. Just note it in the description box that the flaw is there, and also take a picture. What I do is if I find a flaw like a stain, I will take a close-up with my camera, and then I will note it in the description box, and then in parentheses say see picture. So small yellow stain on bottom, see picture, and then I'll show a picture. eBay allows you to put up 12 pictures, so make sure that if there are any imperfections, that one of those pictures is for the imperfection. I usually save those for the end. Before we move on, do me a favor. If you found any of this information helpful to you, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and activate the bell icon. My little kitties down here will show you how, so that you are alerted every time I upload a new video, because I'm going to be sharing with you 20 years of eBay listing experience. In 20 years, I've learned a lot of hacks and tips, from listing everything from clothes to knickknacks to video games, books, and anything and everything in between. Why don't you drop down in the description box something that frustrates you most about listing clothes? Is it trying to get the entire thing in the picture? Is it trying to get good lighting? What is it that frustrates you about listing clothes on eBay? Or if you grab that guide, you will find out that there are plenty of more platforms that you can list on, like such as Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace. Heck, you can even do a garage sale. Go ahead and drop down in the description box something that frustrates you most about listing clothes, or selling clothes for that matter. Let's try to help one another out. Because the thing is, we all have too much of them, even though some of us don't want to admit it. We have way too many clothes than we will ever wear, and we can all use extra cash these days. Whether it's to put it in the gas tank or save up for something new. Perhaps new clothes. Perhaps clothes that will actually fit you, or clothes that you'll look better in. So let's go ahead and list clothes together. Speaking of lighting, click on this video that I'm gonna post up here. It's all about how to get the best pictures of your clothing items. If you haven't ever listed clothes on eBay, drop in the comment box why. Well, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and watch another video. The one that I'm going to link is going to be how to get great pictures of clothes if you decide that you got some extra clothes that you don't want, that you want to sell. In the meantime, I'm going to go back to cleaning out my closet and seeing if I can't turn some of this unwanted clothes into cash. Thank you again, and keep on listing. and I'll see you next time. Bye.